She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up.
Hey everyone, today we are creating this beautiful yellow pink glitter festive look, and this is look I've created in one of my navratri OOTDs. So without further ado, let's get started towards the video, and hope you like it. First we are using toner, and I'm using Pilgrim's toner. It is a beautiful pH balancing with glycolic acid toner. And next I'm using this Laneige lip balm on my lips. It is really very hydrating and one of the best lip balms out there. Next I'm switching to this essence. This is Loreal Paris Revitalist essence. Again, it's a glycolic acid containing one, and it really hydrates as well as soothes my skin. So I'll be applying all over the face and neck, and I'll give some time to soak it in. Next I'm using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles under eye cream, and I'll gently rub it in my eye area. And we will give a very light pressure while using this cream, and I'll top it up with my moisturizer Nevia Body Soft. And now I'm using my Manna Kadar primer. This is one of the beautiful pore filling primer, so I'll be applying it under eyes and my T-zone, which gets really oily and have more pores than my other areas on the face. Next I'll be mixing my foundations. I'm using two foundations here, Maybelline Fit Me and L'Oreal Paris Infallible one, and mixing with my Manna Kadar Glow Illuminator, and all the three I'll be mixing and then dabbing all over my face. Next I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, one of the best ones, and this is in the shade Pure Beige, and I'll be applying under my eyes as well as on my eyes as a base, and I'll also cover my T-zone with it. This is one of the best cream concealer, along with having some really decent coverage and very good blendability. I'll highly recommend this concealer, and I'll slowly start dabbing the concealer, and I'll do the look. Next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium, and I'll just use very less quantity to highlight my eye area as well as T-zone. I'll also highlight my cheekbones along with it little bit, and yeah, we'll blend it out. Next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade light, and I'll setting my concealer with this powder and allow it to bake for some time as well. Baking really helps to stay put the product and really stay put your makeup as well, and doesn't allow to crease much. This really helps to my face, so I usually do baking. Then I'll be dabbing my T-zone area with this loose powder only, especially my smile lines, and I'll be using brow pencil by Sugar. And next I'll move my eyeshadow. I'm here using Ucanbe eyeshadow palette. First I'm warming up my crease area with light mustard yellow color with a big fluffy blending brush. Again I'll take a dark mustard yellow and I'll place all over my lid area. I'll be covering my whole eye area with it. Next I'm using this dusty pink, powder pink color, and I'll place this above my crease area, and I'll really pack the color nicely on my crease, above the crease area. And then I'll take a big fluffy brush and I'll blend the edges. We will really blend the edges nicely so that it will look really smooth and washed out. See the colors after blending. Now I'll be dusting off the bake under my lower eye area, and then I'll be using the same colors, a bit deeper one, into my lower lash line, and I'll place it with a small tapered brush to put it on my lower water lash line. Next, the most difficult part is the liner one. I feel I'm here using Maybelline pen liner, and I'll just give a very small elegant wing here, not too much, because I want to show more colors over here, not too much liner. And next I'm using this Hillary Rura glitter eyeliner. This glittery eyeliner we'll just place above our black liner, giving a light line, making it more prominent like a border. Next I'm using this really beautiful duochrome purple pink glitter under my lower lash line, and this will totally lift this eye look. And I'll complete this eye with my favorite Loreal Paris mascara. Next, moving toward face makeup, I'll blend it with my Savannah Colors blush. A really light pink flush look. It will give really warm effect to the face. I'll be applying a little bit on my jawline as well to just to sum it up the whole look. It looks really nice on camera. Next I'm using Wet n Wild apricot blush. This is also very sheeny blush, which I really like to enhance all the glow. And then I'll be setting it with LA Colors spray, and I'm here deciding which color I should go for. I think this pink Nika lipstick will look really good. I'll mention the shade, and next I'll top it off with my Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. And here is the complete look.
I miss